Thank you.
Have a good night.
Thank you.
What's going on?
And our daughter. What's going on, man?
I made it over here, you know.
Yeah.
I've made it through all that snow, and it's pretty out there, you know.
Yeah.
It's very
As long as you
pretty.
can stay warm, it's not too bad.
I mean, I'm right around the corner, so it works perfectly for me. I'm gonna get something like a Pilsner or something. I haven't made up my mind yet. You still have that Rockland on?
Yeah, still got it.
That Avery, right?
Well, the Raffman's Unibrew. That Avery, that's an Imperial Stout.
Oh, I can't do it. The Rockland's like 5%?
Yeah, 5.5.
I'll take one
Start
of
with
those.
that?
Yeah. All right, signing off from Liberty.